So for today, we are going to make fruit cocktail float. So here are the ingredients. We have the fruit cocktail, the graham. It's up to you which graham you want, with sugar or plain, and the Nestle cream. So we use this full cream, Nestle cream from Philippines, and a sweet condensed. So it's up to you how sweet you want. So Danish, are you ready?
Yeah.
And by the way, we need a container. Whatever container you have there at home, just use it. It's up to you. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Excited to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start. First, we have to make our cream. Okay. So help me. Sit.
Mommy, go.
Okay, help me. So put on the cream and I will scrape it. So it's better to have this Nestle cream chilled for 2 hours. Or if you want, you can mix it with the mixer so it will be double in size. For me, just chill at the fridge. Next, we can put the condensed. Yeah, so I will not put everything, so I'll just maybe half of this. Danish, come mix it.
Yeah.
So help me mix. Mix it. So my family, especially my kids, love this cocktail float. You like it, right? Mix it. Mix for me. Actually, vlog, we are still new in YouTube, so please subscribe and like our videos. Thanks. So let's go to our mixing procedure. Okay. Do you want to taste this, vlog? Here we go. I'll give you. Come on. It's so yummy, right?
Yeah. Smells so good.
You try it. Smell.
Smell good.
Smell good. So I think we have to put a little bit more. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, mix it, Dachi.
I
Mix
just
it.
put down.
Yeah.
Mommy, the hot jelly.
Okay, you can get one. Yeah, get it. Make sure your hand is clean.
I tasted Mom.
Okay, good. So, you like it? Okay, vlog. Let's go to our
Wait, water.
foil. Okay, Danish, can you help me put the cracker here? The graham cracker here for me? Yes. Okay.
How?
Help me arrange it.
It's already have small. I have some already. This one, Mom. This one.
Yes,
I put this one, Mommy. Right here. And I put it right here.
you just put it nicely.
Here. Right here, Mommy. Right here.
Okay, you can use this one, then
There's this one. Or this one too, Mom.
and this one.
Or this.
Give me that one like this.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, be careful.
What is the small one?
And take the small one.
I love small.
This is your small one.
I know my big one. I use this one more.
Yeah.
I use this one.
This one, okay. So,
Use this one. Or this one, Mommy. This one. Or this one, Mommy. Where I put it?
ahead. So you have to put like this. Look like that.
Yeah.
Next, put the fruit
Jelly.
cocktail.
I love jelly.
So put the fruit cocktail here. Here, use your spoon. Use a spoon.
Then use orange, Mom.
So just put and spread.
Mommy, can you eat the jelly, Mom? Can you eat the jelly, Mom?
Here.
Thank you.
You guys, make sure your hand is clean. You have to wash before preparing all the
Mommy,
food.
this is hot water.
Yes, that's nata de coco.
My favorite, Mom.
I know.
My favorite.
So you put the graham on top of the fruit cocktail, and then you have to cover them all.
Cover all, cover all.
And then we put this cream. The process like that. Just put the cream, then cocktail, then the graham,
Bread.
and spread it.
At Juday.
Okay. The more, the merrier. The happier.
I need more jelly, Mom. And more?
We have to finish everything.
No, I had two already.
So yummy. Next, the graham. Help me. So this is the last layer. So we just pour.
Spread it.
Yeah. Oh, come help me. Help me.
Then spread it.
Yeah, come on. Spread. I will pour you. Spread. I'll pour it.
Can you spread it, Mom? I know myself, Mom.
Okay, I think it's finished. Now we will put on the fridge.
Yeah.
And then we wait for about 2 to 3 hours. And then it's ready to eat. Come on. Bye. See you later.